So if you are using Windows computer, okay, I'm going to open Microsoft Word and I type here, hello, how are you? And suppose if I want to erase the word on my right, for example, if I want to remove this hello from here, I'm going to, in my mouse, I'm going to click near this hello here. And if I want to remove the word on my right, that is if I want to remove this word hello, then there is a shortcut method, that is if you want to erase word to the right, then you can use control and delete key. That is you can see that this is the control key in our computer keyboard, and you can also see this is the delete key. So if you press these two keys at the same time, there is one of your finger is in this control key, and at the same time you must press this delete key. So if you press these two keys at the same time, so you can see that this word have been moved, that is the word on the right side have been removed. For more videos like this, you can subscribe and as well online. Thank you.